Hello guys, today is the effect Wood Shatter. Today I will show you this effect in details, how I created this in Unreal Engine. How do you shatter things, wood or anything, and how do you place those chunks in particle system cascade. So each and every step you will learn. Okay, so I started. This is your Wood Shatter Effect. Okay, and first of all you need wood. So in Maya I show you, I have this full chunk of wood, then I have two other chunks of this chunk that I shattered with the help of a plugin called Pull Down It. You can download demo version from the site, like I downloaded this one. You can easily shatter anything from with this plugin, like you have this wood and you can just click here, choose your preset and just shatter. So you can shatter things like this. Okay, so I just shattered it in two parts and one is full without shattering. So I just exported these chunks in Unreal Engine, and first if you see the full chunk of the wood in my first emitter, it just appear and then disappear after 0.5 second, because its life only just 0.5 second. What happened after 0.5? The other two chunks from left and from right emit with the delay of 0.5, because at 0.5 the full chunk disappear. So it just feel like that chunk is shattering because timing is set to 0.5. Okay, first of all this chunk has this material, very basic, just a texture and normal. Then the other two chunks, they got burned when they fall, you can see. So in material, basic textures, then I use this fire texture and I use lerp and alpha noise, and I am using dynamic parameter for burn. So if I increase the power here, you can see my normal wooden texture is showing. When it going down, is burning this wood. So I use this parameter in my dynamic parameter and particles, still burn. Okay, then these are medium splinters, and splinter I also exported from Maya. This is my splinter. Okay, and I am using here as particle. So basic material same that I use for wood junk, and emitting from a sphere and accelerating because I want gravity, and they also collides to the ground, you can see here. Okay, then small splinters, same thing, just size is small, same mesh. Okay, then large splinters, again same mesh, just size is bigger than previous, same collision emitting from sphere. Okay, just for variation I had these three splinter sets: medium, small, medium or large, whatever you want to say. Okay, then I am emitting some dust, and I have all two variation for dust. One is soft, you can see this one is soft, this one is hard, and texture are same in both of materials. So what is the texture? Very basic texture sub UV, my common sub UV I use in all my tutorials, created in Photoshop cloud pattern, random patterns, and again these are emitting from sphere. Okay, then there is a cylinder that is scaling down and feeling like a beam. So it basically it hits the wood, then wood shatters. So it's just glowing and scaling down because I have scale by life. Here you can see at 0 it's 110, at 0.2 it's 11, and at 0.1 it's 003. Okay. Then sparks, and I have one more sparks, but these sparks emitting from these sparks at collision, because I have event generator and here is the condition is collision. If you see here, see when they collide the small sparks are emitting. And the last one is flash. I use flash not on billboard but mesh, because I want to penetrate flash from the wood, so it's feeling like it's coming out of my wood, like so. These were the elements and its full effect. See, the beam attacks the wood and it flashes and emitting some sparks with splinters and wood shatters and turn burnt, and they all parts are colliding with ground. So we check in viewport how it looks one by one. Like first is wood, it just disappear. When it disappears, the wood chunks emit from there, left and right, and they turn burn. They are burning. Then some medium splinters emit with it, some more small splinters, and some large splinters for more variation, some hard dust, and some soft dust for filling this effect. Okay, and a cylinder that looks like a beam that attacking from upside. Then sparks and the colliding to the ground, and when the sparks the colliding ground, the small sparks emitting from the collision spot. And flash. See, and my dust also eroding with the help of dynamic parameter. You can see my material here. I have used power, and when I increase the power it erodes, so I use the dynamic parameter, and I will show you here. I increase and it's eroding. See, it's eroding. When I set to 0, texture is completely visible. So here I am eroding with the dynamic parameter. So I hope you like this effect. It's a very easy effect, I think, but you can create lots of good stuff like this. You just have to fill up with the elements, like it's wood, so I added splinters and all dust. If you are breaking some rock, you can add some debris or dust again and more sparks. And if you are breaking some other thing, you can add up things. You just have to take full version of your product or your mesh, anything you want to break, then you need to have 2, 3 or whatever pieces you want. Just break them all and export it separately, then use it in separate emitters, and you just have to match the timing, just like after point 5 life it emits with the delay of 0.5, so it syncs like this. If you see it in slow motion, see, it's completely looking like they are shattering, but they are not shattering. You have to fake it like it looks good. See, and it's burning also because some burned beam attacked, so it's burning. So I hope you liked this effect. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Subscribe my channel and share my videos. Like, comment below any query, any suggestions, and thanks for watching this. Bye. Thank you.